What's going on, everyone? Welcome to 2025. Welcome to that Bonehead Truckers YouTube channel. I'm here to do a little bit of self-exposing a little bit as we work into 2025. I have weighed in, and I'm going to tell you that weight in this video. And I'm going to take this jacket off and give you kind of a look. And I'm not going to take off my shirt. So listen, all right, so you don't have to hide your eyes, all right? But I'm not going to expose myself like that. But I will say that I'm looking to getting back on track in 2025 that we had a couple of years ago. 2024 has been a blah year, and one of those things that I just want to look and put that in the rearview mirror and not really look back. And so what better ways to start on a positive note? All right, that's what I'm sitting there saying. What we got in store this year for Bonehead Truckers, for this channel, a lot of different things. As you guys know, I have been talking about getting back into a truck full time. And well, I'm going to sit here and tell you that I got a gym membership. So that may tell you that I'm not going to be in a truck full time. So yeah, we got some plans. I'm not sure if I'm going to announce those plans or not, but you'll definitely see it. Okay, you'll definitely notice it. So I'm not sure if we're going to do this big dramatic ordeal with it. I think you just kind of start seeing it. That's what I think. Anyways, with that being said, I'm going to take off my jacket. This shirt used to be nice and loose. Yeah, I'm sucking in a little bit. All right, now I'm not. Now I'm not. See the belly there? See the belly? See the belly? Yeah. Got the love handles, got the man boobs, I got all that going on. So this shirt used to be nice and long, nice and loose on me. This is a 4XLT. Now I did shrink a little bit because I have some 4XLTs that will fit me a little better. But I figured, hey, I'm gonna put on this shirt. That way, you know, it really kind of shows what I actually am underneath the shirt a little bit more than maybe some of my looser fitting shirts. But yeah, so my current weight is 391 pounds. And as of January 1st, 2025, at whatever time it is. So that is my weigh-in this morning. And so reason why I'm doing this video is to be a start of a video series where, let me get this back on. I'm getting kind of chilly. Reason why I'm doing this video and starting this series is to hold myself accountable, you know, and something to look back on. I'm not, you know, I mean, it's like this, man. Sometimes you just need to, you need to be challenged, and sometimes it's hard to stay disciplined if you're not holding yourself accountable. And I figured this is one of those ways where I can. So one of these days I will find my other, there we go. I was like, where is that thing? Anyways, so yeah, that's the thing, that reason why I'm doing this series. Now this is the opening video. My next video will probably be in a couple of weeks or more. Who knows? I'm going to show you my progress, show you the steps that I'm doing, things that I'm eating, and kind of a vlog. That's what this channel is. It's about me, right? That's what this channel is about, me. It is about me. So 391 pounds. Yeah. Now it's not the heaviest I've ever been. When I was on the road, I was over 400 pounds. So I was getting close to that. And of course we could always round up. But we could sit there and have a million of excuses, all right? Like, okay, at first it was eating good on cruise ships and going out to eat all the time. And this 2024 has been kind of a stressful time. And hey, what do people do? They eat comfort food. they eat junk food, and that's exactly what I did. There's no excuse for it. I should have been disciplined, but I wasn't. And so I kind of, washed my hands of a few things that I was doing in 2024. So hopefully that'll be a start going in a more positive direction in 2025 here, and get this shirt feeling a little bit more loose, on the old gut here. Hey, it was fun. It was fun earning this gut. I'm not going to sit there and lie and say, hey, it was really depressing to eat that good food. Like, yeah, no. It felt good to eat it. But I mean, I went into the hospital last year thinking I had a heart attack, and I don't know if I had an anxiety attack or panic attack, but I could tell you this: I think that I would have felt a lot better if I wasn't this heavy. I think I put on 10 pounds since that point, right? Like, so anyway, no excuses, but I'm 46 years old. I'll be turning 47 this year, and time to get real. I've lost weight before and I put it back on. We really need to get real and stick with it, and that's the reason why I'm doing this video. I'm doing this video for me, doing these videos for me, and hopefully someone will get something out of it and get encouraged, because I need all the encouragement I could get to get rid of this thing, get rid of that thing, and do all that number. So, as many guys need, we just need encouragement. That's just really it. And sometimes you just have to learn how to encourage yourself, and so got the gym membership. I don't know if I'll go in there today, probably later on this afternoon. Wife and I are about to go to town and do some grocery shopping. But I'm gonna lose it the right way, man. No, I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna gut my stomach, and have them do all sorts of number on that. I'm not gonna take those Ozempic shots or whatever they call them. I'm not gonna do any of that. I'm gonna be working out and eating right. Two simple things: calories in, calories out. And this ain't my last my last resort, right? I think people that have had to get stomach surgery or had the shots, they had reasons why. I haven't got that part, right? Like, as you can tell, I'm not that bad of a situation, right? Like, look at me. Like I could still run, I could still jump, I could do all the things that other fat guys can do, but can't do things like skinny people. But we're definitely going to get with the system here. That way we don't have to end up to where we need to get a surgery or all that. Anyways, so with that being said, I appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned, subscribe if you want to sit here and watch this. My next video on this will probably be in a couple of weeks, and yeah, appreciate you guys' support. And so if I can find my little button there, I could turn you off. 73.